On our way to church, late, but on our way to church.
Why
Inside. Oh, cider! What about actually? I would actually cry if that was actually inside as a cat.
I was looking for
that ran away.
I was looking for photos of me and Risang, and I myself and Risang, and then I found videos and pictures of us inside.
This thing is going to slip off. I have a feeling that it is going to slip off because I don't understand what's happening. It better not.
Everything that is difficult, Jesus.
Yes, because that's the handicap one. I've tried. I just can't, like.
I could listen when I had Joseph Maria Lagua Anaroba.
Like it's beautiful. For what? All for content. You see? You see? You see?
Yeah. No one will go as a little but give it money. Now where are you moving off the road?
No, but seriously though, I need help with time management. I don't know what, like, I always find myself running late.
You're looking for a manager? I can manage you. I can manage you.
The problem with you is that your management style, it's very military. Dictatorial and it's just
because it's meant for people who always want to be coherent, like you. I can't be a laissez-faire type of leader with you because when you always say,
like look at the weather, like the weather is also
excuses. Weather.
Also today I woke up and I thought my alarm was ringing in a dream. I don't know.
See? Now you start dreaming. You're making your coming late spiritual. Yeah. Even when we are supposed to, when you are looking off, I have to wait for you.
No.
When you called me, I left home. The food was on the table, running. I get there, you're not ready. Just to get out of the office.
No.
No, Mimi. Yesterday, I even asked the security to go upstairs to check on you. I thought you were stuck on the lift.
No. I didn't think you're going to leave like immediately when I called.
You see, you think I'm like you. This is being my friend. When I'm asked to do something, I do it right there. And I always say, wait, or wait, I tell you, when I get there, where were you? Still in the office, in the middle of the document. It meant you were not ready even when you called me.
I was.
I think I was about 1 hour late after you called. Baba.
This is the doing of the Lord, giving me a new song. Nobody can tell me, no one can convince me otherwise. It's the doing of the Lord.
Morning, guys. Having a fantastic morning, and yeah, I'm feeling good this morning. Just about to have my breakfast because the girl is hungry. I'm just gonna have some muesli and then I'm gonna have coffee, and yeah, that's pretty much my morning for now. I hope that you guys are having a good day, that you are doing well so far. 15 days into the new year, and I guess so far it's okay. If you have any New Year's resolution that you would like to share, feel free to do that in the comment section, but you really don't have to. Another thing that I want to talk about is vision boards. I've been thinking of doing a vision board, but I don't know if I'm actually going to do it. I have something that kind of looks like a vision board, and it's just, I guess, not necessarily vision board in the sense of this is a goal that I want, but it's more like I'd like to see this happen in this year. God willing, I'd like to see this happen. And I am trusting God and I'm believing God to, make those things happen if He sees it right and if He feels that I'm ready for those things. Personally, I think I am. I would like them and I want them. But at the end of the day, God's word is what sets everything, God's word over everything, rather, let me put it that way. But yeah, I've also been a bit skeptical about doing a vision board because I think I don't know if I mentioned this in this vlog or at some point, I don't know. I just feel like I'm still trying to find my feet in terms of like the new year and such. I ended the year feeling very confused and lost and not knowing what the next step is. And this year has started off very slow for me. It started off very, very slow. Everything is moving very slowly. That new year, new me vibe is not there. I'm just kind of continuing on, and maybe it's because I didn't actually take a break for the festive. Like, I didn't actually take a deliberate break. Usually I'm on leave in December, but this time I wasn't on leave. So maybe that's why I just don't feel like I properly prepared for the new year, or I properly prepared and set out goals or whatever. So I think I'm lagging behind in that regard. So yeah, the only thing that I'm looking forward to this year is turning 30, and I just feel like 30 is going to be a great year. It's going to be a very good year. Like, I'm going into my 30s. Dang. And I'm actually very happy about it. I'm happy about it. It is indeed the doing of the Lord. Because scientifically, medically, 30 was not in the books. So I'm very happy about turning 30. I am excited to be turning 30, and I'm looking forward to my 30th birthday. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've got so many things that I want to do, but I don't even know if I'm going to actually end up doing them, because I'm just at a point where I'm so content with just the fact that I am turning 30. That's the only thing that I'm actually like holding on to, because I'm like, God, you did that. Like, so yeah, 30 is gonna be a very, very beautiful year. But anyway, guys, I'm not sure if I'm going to continue vlogging for this vlog, so I might just close this vlog here. And yeah, so if indeed I am closing this vlog here, I just want to say thank you for coming into the new year with me and for joining me on this channel. I look forward to creating more content for you guys. I look forward to sharing more of my life with you guys, and sharing more experiences with you guys. I look forward to doing more in terms of content creation and exploring that, like the world of content creation in its entirety. And I know there are going to be a lot of hiccups here and there. There are going to be a lot of bumps in the road, but I am willing to learn. I'm willing to learn, and I'm open to making mistakes and learning from them, just so that I can improve. So yeah, I'm excited. My hair is not doing what I wanted to do today. I don't understand, but that's fine. That's beside the point. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Comment down below and share your New Year's resolutions if you're comfortable. And yeah, subscribe as well if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. Don't forget to share this video so that you let others know that we hang out here every now and then. And I will see you guys in my next video or vlog. Bye for now.